About, like in India we have a saying, you only get the kind of leadership that you deserve. For in many ways, we've been indolent. We've been sitting back and, in India this is a thing, I'm sure in Kenya also. If you go to a tea shop, anywhere, India is full of tea shops, okay? If you go to a tea shop, the guy who's selling tea, making probably 50, 100 cups of tea in a day, that's his job. He will tell you how Prime Minister should function.
And he knows.
He knows.
He has, yes.
No, he knows.
Yes.
And he not only knows that, if you know some cricket,
Yes.
he will tell how the Tendulkar, whoever, how he doesn't know the batting technique, how he should bat, all right? He will has advice for everybody. Only problem is he doesn't know how to make good tea. This is a serious problem. Everybody knows how somebody else should do their job, but they don't know how to do theirs.